Not really where I wanted it to land, but oh well. I thought he would have to move a little bit for that. So these guys are found only on a few small islands in Indonesia, and they're a threatened species, so they're protected by law. It's illegal to hunt them or kill them. There's about 3,000 to 5,000 remaining in the wild, and their population is fairly stable right now. The main threat to Komodo dragons is loss of habitat due to land being converted into agriculture, just increasing human population. The one island where they're found, the island of Komodo, is actually now a reserve for Komodo dragons, and people don't even live there anymore. The only way you can go to the island is if you're a part of a tour to see Komodo dragons. So here at the zoo, they're a part of a species survival plan, and that's an organization that determines where we move individual Komodos through America to maintain the genetically captive population. So we have had success here with breeding Komodo dragons. Kilat was hatched here. We've had 7 offspring hatch, and the other 6 have gone to other zoos in North America. And we're hoping that we will soon get another young female, and we'll have some babies probably in the next couple of years. When the female is about to lay her egg, she'll dig a big hole in the exhibit, and she'll lay anywhere between 20 and 40 eggs. And the incubation time for Komodo dragon eggs is the longest of any reptile. It takes their eggs about 7.5 months to develop. And in the wild, baby Komodos, when they hatch, will immediately climb up into the trees because the females don't provide any care for their offspring whatsoever. And in fact, they may eventually become food because Komodo dragons are one of few species that will eat their own kind. In fact, the diet of Komodo dragon consists about 25% of Komodo dragon. So larger animals will eat smaller ones. So the babies, as part of their way to survive, will climb up into the trees because adults are just too heavy to climb. So they're quite agile when they're young, and they'll live in the trees till they're about 2 or 3 years old and just too heavy to climb anymore. And when they're little, they'll eat things like other small lizards and insects and maybe some bird eggs and things like that. And then as they get older, they move on to small mammals and eventually larger mammals. So if anybody has any questions about the Komodo dragons, I will be happy to answer them for you, or if there's anything that I didn't talk about that you would like me to, just let me know. Does anybody have any questions at all?
Hey, Malcolm, do you have any questions?
Okay,
why don't you go up to it?
Yeah, it just can take a while. Like if you just throw something and he eats it, that takes a second. So the idea is to enrich them, to keep them more occupied.